Shopify is great for running a store, but if you have ever tried to do real analysis on your store data, you know the limits. Reports capped at 1,000 rows, data that is hours old, no standard SQL access, no way to join your orders with your inventory or your customer data in one query. What if you could query all of it with SQL? Orders, customers, products, inventory. In a Postgres database, real-time, updated automatically. That is what I am going to show you today. Once your Shopify data lives in Postgres, you can do things that are impossible inside Shopify. Run a query that joins your orders with your inventory levels to find products selling faster than you can restock. Build a customer lifetime value report by cohort. Create a real-time revenue dashboard your whole team can use. No row limits, no stale data. No installing 6 apps that each create their own data silo. One database. Full SQL. Let me show you how to set this up. Takes about 5 minutes. We are going to connect Shopify to Postgres using Stacksync. Real-time sync. Bi-directional. So changes flow both ways. To create a real-time bi-directional sync between Shopify and Postgres, let's begin by clicking the Create Resource button on the homepage. Next, we click the Syncs button to create a new sync. In the sync name field, enter a name for your sync. Now, select Shopify as your first connected application by clicking on Shopify. Here, you can choose an existing Shopify connection or create a new one, ensuring seamless integration with your store data. Once selected, click the Select button to confirm your Shopify connection choice. Proceed by clicking on Postgres to select it as your second connected application. Again, choose an existing Postgres connection or create a new one, enabling robust connectivity to your database. Confirm your selection by clicking the Select button. To configure which data will be synchronized, click the Link Tables button. Use the drop-down or begin typing the names of the tables you wish to link. Now, click the drop-down arrow to view available table options for mapping. Stacksync enables you to choose from existing tables or create new ones as needed, providing flexibility for your integration architecture. Click the Map Fields button to configure field mappings between your Shopify and Postgres tables. To further refine your sync, click Show Columns to expand and select the Abandoned Checkouts table fields for synchronization. Following this, click the drop-down arrow to select the desired column mapping option, ensuring precise data consistency across systems. Once your configuration is complete, click the Create button to save and create your new sync. You'll be redirected to the Current Syncs page where you can toggle the switch to activate your sync. With just a few steps, we've created a robust, two-way sync between Shopify and Postgres, reclaiming valuable engineering hours, accelerating time to value, and achieving true real-time bi-directional data consistency across your critical systems. Most stores treat their data as something locked inside Shopify and a stack of apps. Each app sees one slice. None of them talk to each other. But the stores that move fastest are the ones that put all their data in one place. Queryable, joinable, available to every tool in the stack. Stacksync connects Shopify to Postgres. Also works with Snowflake, BigQuery, Supabase, real-time, bi-directional. For more information on Stacksync's enterprise-grade capabilities and additional demos, visit our website